Well, some Idaho lawmakers want to change a law that just went into effect last year.
Yeah, it could change what you pay each month to stream movies online. Eric Gonzalez explains that the difference between the Netflix and the Hulu customer. I guess there is a difference. Some getting taxed, some not, right, Eric?
Yeah, there is. If you use videos from Netflix and stream them online, you're paying a tax. But if you use, say, Amazon or Hulu, you still have to pay the tax, but they're not charging you for it. Some state lawmakers say that's not right, and everyone should be on the same page.
Some will say that it's been subject to tax, some will say it has not, and it's very unclear, but it is rather clear that this is all coming to a head.
Lawmakers are reviewing a law they passed last year that taxes videos bought online. They say the problem with the law is that Netflix is the only one charging the tax. That's because Netflix has a facility in Idaho.
Other entities that don't have a footprint, a brick and mortar in Idaho, like Hulu and Amazon Prime and such, are also subject to this tax via their services. It's just that it will be collected by the user.
And most of them do not have that connection to Idaho where they are required to collect the sales tax, and so they don't.
But the tax commission says you still have to pay the tax when you file your state tax return. The problem is that it's up to you to declare it.
You do owe what's called a use tax, and that use tax is very easily paid on your income tax return that you have to file every year anyway with the state of Idaho. That's a single line on there. It asks about your out-of-state and internet purchases.
Lawmakers say it's not fair that one video streaming business is charging the tax and others aren't.
I would argue that the tax didn't exist, and so it's to make it perfectly clear that that is not something that was subject or liable to tax.
Yet starting last July, your $8 Netflix bill started showing a 46-cent tax, and other streaming sites don't. The tax commission says that they are collecting the tax from Netflix, and Netflix will be charging that tax until the law is changed. Back to you.